Hi everyone, today I'm doing a dip. Actually 2 dips. I'm going to be adding a base here and here, adding the color on this one, dipping this one on top, and then lifting up. Okay, so the base, I'm using up a lot of my leftover paints that aren't really doing well with blooms and swipes, so I've been doing dips so I can use them all up. So I can use them all up. I've mixed some of them together. Okay, this one here is I'm using tail feather, and I mixed it with green blue from Amsterdam for my base. Hopefully I have enough for 4 tiles. I'm using blue-green, Pabio blue-green mixed with TLP blue eyes and some sky blue. And I've got some TLP Brulee mixed with Twinkle. Okay, I'm spreading my paints on with this little comb. Okay, so now I'm going to be drizzling my paint on here, adding it in these little cups so it's easier to drizzle. Okay, so I'm going to, this is blue. All right, I think I'm just going to do this. Okay, it's blue eyes. Oh my gosh, that's white. This is the well, I'm only going to put a little bit of white. Actually, this is the Twinkle and the Brulee. Now I'm going to just dip, place one over top of the other, hold it because it will slip if you don't hold it, press down so that it's making contact with the one below, and what I've been doing is flipping it over and then lifting up from there, because if I don't do that, more of the paint stays on the tile that I originally put the paint on. This way it evens it out a little bit. It doesn't even it out perfectly, but it helps. So now I'm going to just lift up like this. I have to hold the other one down, and then I just lift this one up. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. Gonna torch any air bubbles out. All right. Okay. Actually, I'll show you this one first. Okay, so I'm going to fix the sides. All right, on to the next two. Okay. All right. Oh, I scraped. Scraped. I rubbed the bottom a little bit, but I think that should be okay. And this twinkle. Okay. See how easy this is? So easy. Oh, shoot. I left my hand off it and it slid. Darn. All right, so I'm gonna lift up. Oh, quite different than the last one, but still cool. I'm going to put it over here. Can you still see this? Yep. Torching the bubbles out. Okay, that's that one. This one up. All right, there's that one. So I'm going to let these dry, and hopefully they'll dry well. I can show you at the end if they dried okay, and if they didn't, I will let you know. Okay, I'm back with the dried result. They dried fine. I don't know what happened right here in that one little spot. It looks like something stuck to it, or the paint might have come off. Anyway, that's that one. That one. They're not resined yet, but I will resin them. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.